Hi guys, here I have a 2016 Mercedes CLA, and I'll show you how to take off the panel from the rear door of this model. First thing we have to take off is this aluminium trim. This we can do, and first I will show you what tools you will need for that. A plastic tool like this, the other like this. It's good to have a magnet, and it takes Torx T30, I think, yes, T30 Torx screwdriver. So first thing, we'll take off this. We'll begin prying on this end. So this is the piece. You have this kind of pins here. After that we have two screws, one here and one here. It is important to have a long screwdriver because they are very deep inside. Now I'll pick them up with the magnet. So this kind of screws, very special. So only two screws. Now with this big guy, I'll begin prying off the panel from the bottom corner. Is done. Here you don't have to lift it up, just pull it. Now if you need to take this trim off, you have to be very careful. It is easy to take it off. You just begin prying it from here, and you will take off this piece, and after this piece also. So it is big, this one, and this one goes with the middle piece. It will be very important when you put it back. I'll show you. So you get this piece. It is very important when you put it back, this lip here has to go in the slot, so in the door. That's important, I think, because that helps the water to go in its way. So this side has to go inside the door. Just to be careful to do that. So this was all concerning the window, the door panel. If you like the video, give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. See you.